Hey guys, Levi and Anthony for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're going to be coating this brand new 2022 Acura MDX.
Yep, you're right, Levi, and as many people know, I'm a big fan of Hondas and Acuras. Are a step above the rest, as I like to think, and so
they are.
I'm really excited for this car. I think it looks awesome, and especially
does.
being brand new, it makes it a little bit easier on me and Levi. So this is Josh's dad's brand new car, and he wants to get it protected for the years to come. So what are we using today?
Well, we thought, why not use the new kid on the block, P&S Legend.
Ooh,
now,
okay.
Legend is going to provide up to 5 years of protection, and actually they're saying now it could actually exceed that 5 years of protection.
I think so.
One thing that's great about P&S's Legend is its ease of application.
Yep.
And the fact that it is technically a professional grade coating designed for the consumer market. So today we're going to be using a plethora of P&S products along with, of course, Rag Company towels. Now, we're going to be washing the whole vehicle with P&S's Pearl soap. We're also going to be doing a little decon utilizing Iron Buster. We're going to be utilizing also to wash it our new chenille mitts.
Ooh.
And then, Anthony, what's next after that?
Well, after that, we're going to be prepping the surface, right? So once we have a clean car, a decontaminated car, we're going to be going through and using the P&S paint prep. As we always recommend, use the coating manufacturer's paint prep spray. So you want to stick with what's in their line. So we're going to be using P&S paint surface prep or coating surface prep. It's a long name, but it works fantastic. And after that, we're going to be going over with Legend. So we're going to start with one coat, see if we need to apply a second coat. But trust me, I think one coat of Legend is strong.
Yeah,
it's durable.
Yeah, it's very
and I think
strong.
it's definitely going to exceed that 5-year mark. So we're really excited. We have a lot of work to do today, but hopefully this will be a pretty straightforward and easy process with that being a new vehicle. So we're really excited. Let's get started.
Now, this product was simple. We needed to make sure first step was to pre-treat the vehicle utilizing P&S Iron Buster to decontaminate and remove any iron deposits within the paint and the wheel surfaces. You spray the product liberally, and its active ingredient actually dissolves iron deposits and shows you by chemically changing to a purple hue. Next, you do need to make sure that you agitate the Iron Buster on the wheels utilizing a soft brush, either the Detail Factory wheel brushes or our own wheel and body brush. Next, remove all that product by rinsing the vehicle thoroughly. This not only helps clean the surface, but it also gets rid of all those particulates that may have been on the surface. Next, we're going to utilize our foam cannon with a pH neutral soap, Pearl by P&S. We use this in the foam cannon as well as our wash bucket. We do a 2-bucket method wash to limit the amount of scratches incurred in this coating job. Next, we're going to wash all that surface utilizing our chenille mitts. Now, the chenille mitt is a safe and easy and effective way to clean the surface of your vehicle with their long, knobby-like fingers getting into all the little cracks and crevices. However, I do recommend that you use it by putting your hand in the mitt or tucking that cuff inside the wash mitt. Josh, you should have tucked your cuff. Now, with the car freshly rinsed, we need to dry it, utilizing a combination of premium microfiber towels and compressed and forced air. Our goal is to remove all of the water off the surface of the paintwork because water becomes our enemy when we are trying to coat a vehicle and will actually create ravines in the coating surface over curing time. So it's imperative we remove 100% of the water from the surface of the vehicle. We also removed the license plates, not only so that we could coat underneath them, but also to make sure there was nothing left for the water to hide in. Next, we needed to clean the surface, all the glass, trim, and paintwork, utilizing P&S's paint coating surface prep. Now, this removes all wax, grease, fingerprints, all of that stuff, but it's also chemically designed to be the first step to applying a coating. And we always recommend utilizing the paint coating surface prep for the specific paint coating that you're going to be putting on. We used FTWs and creatures for this step. Now this is P&S's newest coating, the flagship of their coating line. This is Legend. Legend is a 5-year ceramic coating. Now we apply it utilizing the supplied applicator and working one panel at a time. We apply the product utilizing what I refer to as a box method, which is where you fill it out in a box form and then go through and fill the center section. Now, once the product has set up and flashed appropriately, we're going to be using Creature edgeless towels to remove and level the coating. I like the Creature because of its dual pile nature, allows us to not only level the coating, but also flip the towel to the plush side to then buff it off to a high gloss finish. All right, guys, so as you can see, we finally got the Acura done, and honestly, I think it looks really great. Now, we did tell Josh's dad that we want him back here in a couple weeks so we can do our wash on it. It'll be the first wash, but also it's a good rule of thumb to do that for yourself and your customers, is to just make sure that the coating is looking as good as it possibly can and that it's curing properly. It's very simple, very easy to do. Also, when it comes back, we're going to put View on it, on the front windshield. That way the front windshield's protected. We didn't want to do it today. We're going to make a couple different videos about it, but this way we can possibly do a coating check video so that you guys at home can see what we're going to do. So there you have it. You got to see us install Legend. You got to see the whole process. We did everything: side glass, back glass, wheels, trim, whole 9 yards. So next time we'll just do the front windshield and do a coating check and it'll look great. So as always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.